Is your DeLonghi Magnifica flashing a red light and refusing to brew? In this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you how to fix it in just a few steps. Step 1. Identify the flashing pattern. The red light usually indicates one of three things. The water tank is empty, the grounds container is full, the machine needs descaling. Step 2. Check and refill the water tank. Make sure the water tank is fully seated and filled. Remove it, fill it up, and insert it back carefully. Step 3. Empty the grounds container and drip tray. Pull out the grounds container and the drip tray. Rinse and dry both before placing them back properly. Step 4. Start the descaling process. If the red light continues flashing slowly, it's time to descale. Add descalaire to the water tank, press and hold the descaling button. Check manual, and let it run its cycle. Tip: always use DeLonghi approved descalaire to avoid damaging the internal system. Done. Your DeLonghi Magnifica should now be ready to brew again. Like and follow for more appliance fixes.